So this video is continue to last video. We have been talking about ABS system, the front end, about the courses, webinars, and tools. So this video, I will going to show you very unique and dynamic of the live event and broadcaster and chatting system. Why so unique to us? I also going to talk about independent reviews synchronized in our hub. And lastly, I will going to talking about the VIP club, like a business community. Next one is a live broadcaster. So we have the most advanced, powerful live event broadcaster plus chatting system. Why I said that so unique is because it's hosting in my hub, in my domain. So let's make a big difference. When the broadcaster conducting, there's many people were chatting here and also connecting to worldwide. Because 4%, we have over 300,000 students and also like a top network in the world. Those people will participate in the hub with their own domain, but the chatting synchronized in my hub. That make a difference, isn't it? But you people can see there's hundreds, thousands of people and talking about, chatting about. They will create lots of excitement, isn't it? Just to make it clear, we got two type of live event. One is you hosting your own live event on your hub, and of course, depending how many people you invite. But there's the other we call public live event. We do regular base with many different type of topic, especially dealing with entrepreneurs, build a profitable small business. And you can invite more people, and then we synchronize with many countries and all the audience to make the event very exciting. If people like chatting, make a comment, will be reflected into your hub. That's why we call a money hub. And as you can see under the chatting box, and we can promote anything we want because this domain is mine. I can connect any offer into this blue button. Someone click the button, take it to the offer page. When they purchase, and I get the pay. So this is a complete business system. Okay, the other thing I wanted to talk about is these reviews and results. Currently, we have over 20,000 people in the trust pillars, like independent review sites, talking about our system. So don't take my words, and you can see these independent people give us almost 5-star reviews, over 20,000. Therefore, you can see how powerful of this system. All of those reviews, because being collecting and synchronized with our worldwide ABS system, synchronized in my hub. So assuming I purchase a business system without any reviews, testimonial, and people will not going to get exciting. So that's why this system is so powerful. And this is automatic update and synchronize in your hub. Don't forget, I keep mention. Next one is a community, join VIPs. We have a powerful community system built in with our Money Hub ABS system. Why I said powerful is not because the software alone. This community is built in with your domain, number one. Number two, allow you to set a different group to get the different people participate in different communities. We are just starting and we're waiting for 2.0 version. Once this 2.0 version release, and this one will take off, will become crazy. We got the contents, we got the values. We bring the people into your hub, into your communities. They are consuming more values and good contents. All of those business courses and webinars, I'll be able to invite in different topics and also time to time, I can give away and do a promotions. Our system allow us to collaborate with many influencer, YouTuber, or like industry experts. What we can do is we can do live event, collaborative, and we give away of business courses, etc. We can build the community together. I hope you can see the pictures I put together. So this community is so powerful. It's a place entrepreneurs, small business owners, your customer, your audience, your fans to go. I have a special gift for you. In the chatting box, typing, I want the 7 steps to freedom. I will send you a series of video courses. Very, very valuable. Value at $497 US, but today is free to you because I like connecting to you. I like to be your friend, and you'll be able to learn the strategy you can apply into life and business, step-by-step guiding. It will help you transform your life and business to next level and to become freedom. Thanks for watching.